Hello and welcome to Sweet Pea Tales. This is Radhika, and today's story is about a very cranky bear. Well, dear friends, cranky means in a bad temper, or we can say irritated and not in a good mood at all. So let's find out why this particular bear was so cranky. In the jingle, jangle, jungle, on a cold and rainy day, four little friends found a perfect place to play. Moose had marvelous antlers, and Lion a golden mane. Zebra had fantastic stripes, and sheep was plain. None of them had noticed that someone else was there. Sleeping in that cave was a very cranky bear. Roar went the cranky bear. Roar, roar, roar. He gnashed his teeth and stomped his feet and chased them out the door. So in the jingle, jangle, jungle, on a cold and rainy day, four little friends had nowhere warm to play. "Wait a minute," said Zebra, as she scratched her furry chin. "Maybe if we cheered him up, he'd let us come back in." "If I did not have stripes," said Zebra, "I'd be cranky too." "We should give that bear some stripes. That's what we should do." "Stripes are silly," Moose complained, "especially on a bear. My antlers always cheer me up. Let's give that bear a pair." "No, no, 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 no," said Lion. "Antlers are a bore. A golden mane like mine," he said, "would cheer him up for sure." So Zebra fetched a tin of mud and Lion some grass of gold. Moose got two big branches and sheep got cold. Sheep was getting worried. "They've been eaten up for sure." And then from in the cave there came a very cranky roar. Zebra, Lion and Moose ran out and Bear was right behind them. They hid behind the bushes where they hoped he wouldn't find them. "Why is he still cranky? He's got antlers, stripes, and mane. Before we gave him those," Lion said, "he looked so very plain." As Bear stormed back inside the cave, he turned and roared at Sheep. "All I really want," he said, "is a quiet place to sleep." So she fetched a pair of clippers and she clipped off half her wool. She stuffed it in a cotton bag until the bag was full. She tiptoed back inside the cave. "Excuse me, Bear," she said. "Would you like a pillow for underneath your head?" "Well, thank you very much," said Bear, and soon he fell asleep. Maybe he was dreaming of a plain but thoughtful sheep. So, in the jingle, jangle, jungle, on a wet and windy day, four little friends met a very cranky bear. Now, my dear little sweet peas, Do you think those four little friends managed to cheer the cranky bear? Well, they all tried their best as per their understanding to get the bear in a good mood, and finally, the sheep was able to help. Now we know that the bear was cranky because his sleep was disturbed. So, sleep, my dear little ones, is more important than you may think. You're so busy the entire day. There's school, there's playing with your friends, there's keeping yourself busy during those lovely afternoons, drawing, art and craft, and some of you may be taking care of your pets also. So, sleep gives your body rest and allows it to prepare for the next day. So, if you find yourself cranky on a given day, you need to understand, like the bear, that what you need is some good old sleep. That's all for now. Take care till we meet again. Bye bye.